it wouldn't be right to not show you this sort of kicked up float that I like. It's a personal thing, you know. So what I do is this. I love bananas, and I like banana splits, but I like floats too. So what I do is I take a banana, and I just sort of split it. And then I kind of just do like the banana thing like that. You with me? So we take the banana, split it. And then we get some of that, since we're making ice cream, we get some of that homemade vanilla ice cream that we have. And we just kind of do a scoop of it down there. Scoop of it down there. So I've got the sort of the banana split part of it going on right now. So now I just take a little bit of chocolate. So I'm switching to like but I like the float thing, as I told you, and I like the kicked up float thing. How do you kick it up? You take a little bit of bourbon like this, right? And you add just a little bit of bourbon like that. And then, you know, in the old Emeril Lagasse refrigerator, one of the best root beers. Oh yeah, it's fantastic stuff. So then I add a little root beer in here, then a little root beer, and a little root beer. And then I just sort of top it with some whipped cream like this, okay? A little whipped cream. And then I just kind of get a little bit more chocolate, just to, okay? And then a little bit more chocolate like this here on the top, okay? And then just a little bam, 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 bam. And I have sort of this combo banana split, root beer float. Oh, yeah, babe.